Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 5th of October. And first of all, national news. Punjab appointed over 1,300 security guards for government schools. Census of backward classes will help with welfare measures. Congress chief. JNU plan to install CCTVs to keep check on anti-national graffiti. Indian envoys stopped outside Scotland Gurdwara unacceptable. UK envoy. Now, no inner line permit needed to visit Melam glaciers in Uttarakhand. Don't compel us. Supreme Court warned Punjab in Satluj Yamuna Canal Raw. Operation to track down terrorists enters third day in Rajouri. Sanjay Singh is third AAP leader to be arrested by a central agency. Two terrorists killed in encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Kulgam district. 73% voting in first Ladakh key poll since Article 370 was scrapped. Now some international news. China's nuclear submarine suffered catastrophic failure, 55 dead, a report said. Maungi Bawendi, Louis Bruce, Alexei Akimov got Nobel Prize for Chemistry. Apple CEO Tim Cook got $41 million after selling 511,000 shares. World is collapsing. Pope Francis warned of irreversible climate change. Very unfortunate Nobel Prize jury on leak of laureates' names. Tough decisions. Rishi Sunak cancelled high-speed rail project. And now some sports news. Asian Games 2023, Neeraj Chopra won gold medal while Kishore Jena bagged silver. India won gold in men's relay, 80 medal mark crossed. Boxer Lovlina Borgohain settled for silver. Parveen Huda signed off with bronze. Now some business related news. Bhagwan Mann detailed how Punjab used 50,000 crore borrowed funds. And UK's super dry to sell South Asian IP assets to Reliance for $48 million. RBI monetary policy preview, another hawkish pause likely in October. And it's all in news. Thank you.